Healthy, clear skin begins with proper cleansing. Acne, blackheads, whiteheads, and clogged pores are common skin concerns caused by excess oil, dead skin cells, pollution, bacteria, and improper skincare habits. Deep cleansing helps remove impurities from the skin surface and pores, allowing your skin to breathe, heal, and glow naturally. Step 1. Understand your skin type. Before starting any deep cleansing routine, identify your skin type. Oily skin produces excess oil, prone to blackheads and acne. Dry skin feels tight, flaky, or rough. Combination skin: oily T-zone with dry cheeks. Sensitive skin reacts easily. Redness or burning. Acne-prone skin: frequent breakouts and clogged pores. Using products that suit your skin type is essential to avoid irritation or worsening acne. Step 2. Remove makeup and surface dirt. Always start by removing makeup, sunscreen, and surface dirt. Use micellar water cleansing oil or gentle makeup remover. Massage softly, especially around eyes and lips. Avoid harsh rubbing. This step prevents impurities from spreading deeper into pores during washing. Step 3. Cleanse with a gentle face wash. Choose a sulfate-free cleanser with ingredients like salicylic acid for acne and blackheads, tea tree oil, antibacterial, niacinamide, oil control, aloe vera, soothing. How to cleanse. Point 1. Wet your face with lukewarm water. Point 2. Take a small amount of cleanser. Point 3. Massage in circular motions for 30 to 60 seconds. Point 4. Focus on nose, chin, and forehead. Point 5. Rinse thoroughly and pat dry. Avoid hot water, it strips natural oils and irritates skin. Step 4. Steam to open pores. Facial steaming helps soften blackheads and loosen dirt inside pores. How to steam safely. Boil water and pour into a bowl. Optional. Add neem leaves, green tea, or chamomile. Keep your face 8 to 12 inches away. Cover your head with a towel. Steam for 5 to 8 minutes only. Warning sign: avoid steaming if you have rosacea, active inflammation, or very sensitive skin. Step 5. Gentle exfoliation. Exfoliation removes dead skin cells that clog pores. Types of exfoliation: chemical exfoliants. AHA, BHA, best for acne. Physical exfoliants. Soft scrubs, use gently. Rules: exfoliate 1 to 2 times per week. Massage lightly for 30 seconds. Avoid harsh scrubbing. Overexfoliation can damage the skin barrier and increase breakouts. Step 6. Blackhead removal. Safe method. Never squeeze blackheads with bare fingers. It causes scars and infections. Safe options: clay masks, kaolin, bentonite, charcoal masks. Salicylic acid serums, professional extraction, best option. Clay masks absorb oil and pull impurities from pores naturally. Step 7. Apply a deep cleansing mask. Use a mask according to your skin needs. Clay mask: oily or acne-prone skin. Charcoal mask: pollution and blackheads. Gel mask: sensitive or irritated skin. Apply evenly and leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Do not let clay masks fully crack. Rinse when slightly damp. Step 8. Rinse and calm the skin. After masks or exfoliation. Rinse with cool water to help tighten pores. Gently pat dry with a clean towel. Avoid rubbing. This step reduces redness and calms inflammation. Step 9. Use a toner. Toner restores skin pH and removes leftover impurities. Look for toners with which hazel rose water niacinamide green tea. Apply using hands or cotton pad. Dab gently. Avoid alcohol-based toners as they dry the skin. Step 10. Treat acne and blackheads. Use targeted treatments. Salicylic acid clears pores. Benzoyl peroxide kills acne bacteria. Azelaic acid reduces redness. Tea tree oil, spot treatment only. Apply only a thin layer and avoid mixing too many actives. Step 11. Moisturize properly. Many people skip moisturizer thinking it causes acne. This is a mistake. Choose oil-free gel moisturizers for oily skin. Lightweight lotions for combination skin. Creams with ceramides for dry skin. Moisturizing helps maintain skin barrier and prevent excess oil production. Step 12. Sun protection. Daytime sun exposure worsens acne marks and inflammation. Use broad spectrum sunscreen SPF 30+. Non-comedogenic formula. Apply daily. Even indoors, sunscreen is essential for clear, healthy skin. Step 13. Maintain daily hygiene. Small habits matter. Wash pillowcases weekly. Clean makeup brushes regularly. Avoid touching your face. Do not pick pimples. These steps prevent bacteria transfer to skin. Step 14. Healthy lifestyle for clear skin. Skin reflects your internal health. Follow these tips. Drink plenty of water. Eat fruits and vegetables. Reduce oily and sugary foods. Get 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Manage stress through relaxation or meditation. Hormonal imbalance and stress can trigger acne.